We all sell products online, but not all of us actually make sales. And the real difference between one seller and another is simple. The people who are getting sales are creating content online, and they're making good ads that actually convince people to buy the product. And I'm telling you right now, if you watch this video until the very end, you'll be able to create amazing social media ads and product videos for your own products. Because honestly, this has become so much easier now, while still looking absolutely mind-blowing. So make sure you stay until the end, because I promise you, this video could save you thousands of dollars that normally get spent on product ads and expensive production. In this video, we're going to use the incredible platform Higsfield, which is honestly one of the best AI websites right now. It has a huge collection of tools, starting from AI image generation, AI video creation, and so much more. It's basically a complete all-in-one platform. And recently, they launched something called Higgsfield Marketing Studio. And this tool is absolutely incredible for creating social media videos and high-converting ads for your products. And trust me, you are going to be shocked when you see what this thing can do. Because they recently added a brand new feature inside Marketing Studio called hooks. And this tool is insane. It can literally transform normal videos into videos that feel like viral social media content. Seriously, the difference is unbelievable, and you're going to see it with your own eyes in this video. And by the way, Higsfield Marketing Studio is powered by Seedance 2, which is currently one of the newest and most advanced AI video generation models available right now. That means the results you get, even from the very first try, are incredibly impressive and professional looking. Higsfield Marketing Studio is an end-to-end AI ad creation platform powered by Seedance 2.0 that turns a product link or image into complete high-converting video ads in minutes. It automatically generates scroll-stopping hooks, scripts, and videos across 9 ad formats including UGC, TV spot, tutorials, unboxing, product reviews, and virtual try-on ads. The platform can lock the same face or character across every scene for consistent branding, making it perfect for e-commerce, TikTok Shop, Shopify, SaaS, Amazon FBA, and AI marketing agencies that need fast, scalable, professional quality ad creatives without expensive production teams. And now, let's jump directly into the practical tutorial and start testing multiple types of ads. We're also going to compare the difference between a normal ad and an ad or video that includes a powerful hook. Let's say I'm selling this bag online. In the past, if we wanted to create promotional videos for a product like this, we would have to spend thousands of dollars on production. But now, with literally one click, we can create videos that honestly look incredible. So keep watching until the end. And the best part is, you can apply this exact method to any product online, whether it's a digital product or a physical product. So first, we're going to head directly into Higsfield Marketing Studio, and let me quickly explain the interface. Right here, you can create an ad either for a product or even for an application. So if you have an app, whether it's a mobile app or a desktop app, you can create professional ads for it very easily. For the bag I showed you at the beginning of the video, the first thing you'll notice is the product section and the avatar section. If we click on the product section, you'll see that you can add your product simply by using a link. So if your product is already listed on your website, all you have to do is paste the link right here, and Higsfield Marketing Studio will automatically import the product for you. Or you can click on Create Manually to add the product yourself. I already added the bag earlier, and as you can see, I've actually created many ads using this platform before. So for this video, I want to create ads specifically for this bag. I'll click on it, and now you can see it appearing right here on the dashboard. Next, if we move to the second section, which is the avatar section, you'll notice there are many different characters you can use for your videos. And if we go to My Avatars, you'll see that I already created this avatar previously with you guys. You can actually create your own avatar from here, either by describing the character or by uploading a few images, and the AI will generate it professionally with basically one click. And after choosing the avatar, right here under the plus icon, if you have additional product images, you can upload them to improve the final result even more. But for this tutorial, I'm going to continue using only one image, just to show you that even from a single image, the videos turn out amazing and way beyond expectations. After that, from here, you choose the type of ad you want to create. And we have many options, like tutorial ads, UGC ads, unboxing ads, hypermotion ads, product review ads, and many more ad styles that we're going to test together in this video. Then we have the hook section, which is the new feature they recently added. And this part is really powerful because it allows you to transform a normal video into something that feels viral. Basically, it works by adding a fast, unusual, attention-grabbing moment inside the video that immediately catches the viewer's attention. And we're definitely going to test it in this video so you can clearly see the difference between hooked videos and normal videos. And from the settings section, you can choose the video dimensions, the quality, and even the video duration. Most of the time, we create short-form videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So now, let's test our very first ad. All we have to do is describe the scene we want inside the video. And by the way, if you want the exact prompts I used in this video, just leave me a comment and I'll send all of them to you. For this first example, we're going to use the UGC ad style, and we're not going to use the hook feature yet because I want to show you the real difference between them later. So now, let's generate the video together and see the result.
Premium, lightweight backpack, lots of pockets, fits my laptop, smooth zippers, comfy straps. Seriously, perfect for school, college, everyday carry.
Look at this amazing result! I'm honestly blown away by what I'm seeing right now. And trust me, you're going to be even more impressed once we start using the hook feature. So now, I'm going to create the exact same ad again, but this time I'll use the product dodge hook. After that, I'll simply click Generate Video, and within seconds, the AI will create the new version for us.
Okay, I don't know how that got here, but this backpack fits everything I own. Laptop, books, cables, it's all in there. This is the one I'm taking every day now.
As you can see, the result is way better than the first version and grabs attention much more effectively. Because now there's someone throwing the bag into the scene, and that instantly catches the viewer's eye. And this is exactly how videos become viral and start trending on social media. But the crazy thing is, it doesn't stop there. This time, let's create another ad for the same bag, but now we'll use the tutorial ad format instead. And this type of ad is extremely important for people creating social media content and generating sales and profits from their videos. So let's generate it together and see the result.
How I pack this bag. Zip, padded sweep for my laptop, and then I have a couple of books, hidden pockets for my phone and my keys, bottle pocket for my water bottle. This bag makes school organization so much easier.
As you can see, my friend, the result is incredible once again. The character is literally making a tutorial about the bag. And honestly, I never expected that from just one image of the product, we could create videos like this with only a single click. And now, just so we can compare properly, I'm going to create the same ad again, but this time I'll add the camera bump hook. And don't forget, you can also adjust the settings to make the video 1080p quality and choose the exact duration you want. Then I'll click Generate Video, and let's see the result together.
Oh, okay. But real quick, look at this backpack. Hidden pocket, phone, keys, whatever. One bag, everything fits.
And once again, the result is absolutely mind-blowing. And this is what we call a hook. That quick motion immediately makes the viewer curious about what they're watching, which increases watch time dramatically and helps the video become trending. Now let me test another ad type with you, hypermotion ads. And I'm almost certain you're going to love this one because many huge brands actually use this exact style in their advertising. Just look at the super fast movements of the bag and the incredible detail. It keeps the viewer focused and makes them want to continue watching until the end of the video. And that is exactly what these ads are designed to do. Now, let's also test a product review ad, and this time we'll use the random object mic hook. Alright, let's watch the result together.
So I've been using this backpack for a week. Laptop, textbooks, water bottle, my back hasn't complained once. I genuinely use this every day now.
I'm honestly impressed. This is actually funny and entertaining because the AI used a banana as the microphone. And that unexpected detail makes the video much more entertaining and instantly grabs the viewer's attention so they keep watching until the end. And of course, we can't forget the interview hook because this has become one of the best hook styles for getting massive views recently. So let's test it now with a UGC ad and see the final result together.
Spoon? A tiny spoon? Bro, what? Who told you that? Actually though, this thing is really well made. Goes everywhere with me.
And as usual, I'm genuinely amazed by the final result. And I really want you to go try Higsfield Marketing Studio yourself using the link below the video and create your very first ad. Whether you have a digital product or a physical product, you can create professional ads literally with one click. Trust me, this is incredibly fun to use, and it's absolutely worth trying. And if you need any help at all, just let me know down in the comments. I'll see you in another video very soon, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something useful. Take care, and goodbye.